Hello, my name is Michelle, and if this is your first video of mine that you are watching, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to watch. And if you are a returnee or a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I have two unboxings. I have a Stitchfix unboxing today. The other unboxing I have today is Warby Parker. I have used Warby Parker before. I have purchased a pair of prescription eyeglasses from them. They were blue. I think I wore them in one of the videos I've made actually. But today I ordered some, or last week I ordered some sunglasses from Warby Parker because I need to get a pair of prescription sunglasses. I have been sharing these fashion home services with all of you, and you've helped me a lot, so I thought, why not? I'll share this as well. So let's get into this box. So like I said, Warby Parker is a glasses to your home fashion service. They send you, you pick out some styles that you want to try, and if they're available for try on, they will send it to you. You can pick up to 5. Actually, I think you have to pick 5 in order for them to ship the box to you. They send you a shipping label and you just send it right back in the box that you receive. So you don't keep any of these things, especially if you want to get prescriptions filled, because you'll have to send it back, give them a few more details, send them your prescription, and then they will get all of that handled for you. The first style that I asked for is the Laurel, and this color is in an oak barrel, so kind of a tortoise color. This is what those look like. I do like the round shape of these, and that they're pretty big, like that. Okay, the next one that I have is the Aubrey in Smoky Quartz Crystal. I love the size of these. I am all about big glasses. So this looks clear with a brown frame. Oh my gosh, I love the size of these. I can't really see what they look like on me in this lighting, and because I cannot see when I don't have glasses on, I would have to put my contacts on underneath these to really check them out. But I love the size. I love the way they feel. Next up we have the TILLEY, and this is the color Grapefruit Soda, and it says tinted on it, so maybe they have this frame in regular glasses as well. This is a cat eye style. And I used to really be into this style of sunglasses, not so much anymore, but I saw it and I'm like, I'll give it a try. Ooh, these are really stiff. These must be newer glasses, actually. My mirror's right here. I like these. I like these. They feel a little bit too small on me, so I probably wouldn't get them, but they're very cute. Here's another large pair of glasses. This is the Nancy in Cognac Tortoise. Oh my gosh, look at that big frame. Love it. Love how big these are. I'm a sucker for big glasses. I really like them. What do you think about that one? I really like this one. And I like the color. I like that the color of the frame is more auburn brown. The last two were more clear in that yellow shade. And here is the last one. This is, it looks like a Club Master style. This is called the AMES. It's not the acetate feel that I like in the other glasses that I've received. And it does have some metal down here on the bottom. The others were not like that. They're cute, actually. I mean, this style looks better on my shape face than I thought it would. I usually stick, with the big round, because I have a very round face. But this looks pretty good. It reminds me of a pair that I had a few years ago that had a white frame. But I think they were still a little bit larger than this. Okay, thanks so much for hanging out with me for that Warby Parker try-on. That was fun. And I love your feedback. So let me know what you think about those frames. When I actually purchased glasses from them the last time, I think I went through 3 try-on boxes before I actually found a pair that I wanted to keep. But there are 2 in there that I definitely really love. I love the Nancy, and I really like the Laurel. But again, I actually have to put my contacts on and look at myself in the mirror because I cannot see myself very well when I'm actually wearing eyeglasses. So let me know what you think about those down in the comments below. Love hearing from all of you. And for today's Stitch Fix, so for the last 2 that I've received, I've been asking for specific, like a box full of 1 item, and that's been a lot of fun. The last box that I received, I asked for long sleeve dresses, and I received 3 dresses that were all solid colors and then one print. And I realized during that box I haven't been sent really any prints from Stitch Fix at all besides that dress. So I decided to go and make some tweaks to my style profile. I thought that maybe the algorithm was being led in a direction to send me more solid colors. So we'll see what we get today. I did add in my stylist note that I am really super attracted to that 70s beach California style. So what comes to mind to me is Santa Cruz, big bold colors and stripes, you know, the Brady Bunch, Los Angeles, that kind of style is what I think of when I think of 70s California. And I've been pinning a lot of those styles to my Pinterest board as well. I also added that I've been super attracted to camo right now and velvet. Who knew that that would make a comeback, but it just catches my eye when I see it come across that style shuffle. So we'll see if we get any of that. That would be really exciting. I also specifically asked for a pair of casual pants in the color gray. Jeans or leggings. I really need some lighter color casual pants, but I'm not a huge fan of lighter colored denim, but I think gray would work really well with some things that I have in my wardrobe. Okay, let's get into this box. Okay, so here is today's burrito. Oh, we got some prints. Look at that. It looks like the changes to my style profile worked. All right, so I'll be unboxing the items and unwrapping them. The prices for each of these individual items will be below, and then I'll do a try on and then we'll go over the box, some quick thoughts on everything. All right, this piece of jewelry, oh, this is really cute. This is the TOWNE and REESE Konos hinged cuff, silver. So my style profile does say that I mostly do silver tones. That is really cute. Can't wait to try that on. This is the West Key Allan Rolltab high-low blouse. Okay, this looks like snake print to me. I'm thinking that maybe this is what they sent instead of something camo. I mean, I would definitely blend in if I was next to a boa constrictor. So I guess in that way it's camouflage. But this isn't exactly what I had in mind. But we'll see what it looks like on. I tend to stay a little bit away from animal prints. I like leopard, but with the exception of that, I don't know. But we'll see. I mean, I did ask for some more prints in this box, so we'll see how that one works out. Okay, this is adorable. This print is really catching my eye. This is the 9 BRITTON Varella brush knit midi dress in navy. Oh my gosh, does that not say 70s California? Those colors, the red and the orange and the blue, and it's a long sleeve dress. So I'm so glad I asked for Jamie again. I knew that she would send something my style, and this is nailing it. Love it. So excited to try that one on. I hope it looks really cute. Next, here we have PAPERMOON Lorena v-neck blouse. The color actually reminds me of the 70s for sure. The floral, I don't know. I mean, florals, when I think of florals, the 60s come in mind a little bit more than the 70s. But there is, I think this mustard color kind of does bring the 70s vibe in for sure. So we'll see what that looks like on. What do you think? Does this look 70s to you or more 60s? I think it's just the combination of the color and the print to me has me just confused about what decade it belongs in. These gray pants were the last thing that I got. They are very, very dark gray. I was actually hoping for a lighter gray, so I might indicate that in the next stylist note if these don't work out for me. And these feel more like work pants, and they are an elastic band trouser. There's one fake pocket on the back. This isn't exactly what I had in mind, but I'm glad that Jamie was able to find some gray pants. Maybe they just didn't have gray leggings or jeans available. Okay, I will try these things on and we'll go over them. I could probably make an entire video just about this dress. This knot detail right here, how the stripes kind of go this way in the middle and then they change to being vertical on the back. It is adorable. I love this dress. I love how on the collar it's a different stripe design right there. Oop, let me fix that right there. It's adorable. I love everything about it. I am just not 100% sure if I am pulling this off correctly. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna stand up here so you can see the whole thing. It also has this bit of a sharp tooth hem down here. See, the hem kind of changes direction. Lots going on. These accents right here, I'm just, how does that look? Does it look right or does it look funky? But I do love this dress. I love everything that's going on it. I think it is so fun. Does it look 70s or does it remind you more of like a circus though? On me. Because I'm kind of getting both vibes from it. Like the colors remind me of the 70s, but I think the stripes also a little bit remind me of like going to the Ringling Brothers circus when I was a kid too. So this just like brings up so many nostalgic feelings. I think it's so fun. Again, though, I'm just not really for sure if I am pulling this off correctly, if I am stylish enough to pull this off correctly, and if my body looks correct in it. So would love your feedback on this. I'm gonna get into the pants with the blouses. Okay, here I am with the little snakeskin top, and I think that it is actually really adorable, the cut of it. I like that it is kind of fluffy puffy right here, but like it gives you lots of room. So, I mean, it's not too body hugging, and I don't really like huggy materials right in this section. I like to feel, I like it being a little bit loose, but looking fitted at the same time. So I do love the cut right there. I also like that there's a curved hem in the back. This is a great shirt. And I love this little detail. I love the way that the arms look. Again, like a little bit longer on this side and then up on that side. So cute. Here's the cuff. It's adorable. It's really, really cute. And this is just something that you could wear with anything, really, so that's nice. These pants are super high-waisted. So you can see I have the top up all the way up here and the pants come all the way up here. So this is a really good pant for work. It's been a long time since I've wore boot cut, and they are definitely boot cut, lots of room down here. But this actually would be a really, really great work trouser. It makes me want to get a boot cut jean again. I think that could be fun because I do actually wear boots casually. But they're really nice and comfy though. Let me get that last shirt on. Okay, I am feeling it now. I definitely feel the 70s with this shirt now that I'm seeing it in the mirror. This black and white floral with this mustard is definitely a 70s print. We have the longer hem in the back again with this shirt and a little bit of a crop up here. Oh my gosh. I like this shirt way more than I thought that I would, actually. What do you think about this? Should I get it? I mean, it's so unconventional for me to wear something like this, but I feel like the style is really coming back and out with full force. I think with the right colored pant or even a jean, that this would just really stand out. And I could wear this with a black cardigan. I could wear this to work. I could wear this casually. I really didn't think that I would want something like this, but I really think that it works. Let me know what you think. All right, let's do a quick review of all these items. I am super pumped after doing that Stitch Fix try on another great box. I really feel that the key to getting great Stitch Fix boxes is having the right stylist. Whenever I have had Jamie or Alexis, the boxes super impress me. This isn't exactly a 5 for 5 box for me because that snake skin box, I just don't see myself ever reaching for that. And I haven't checked the try on video to see what it looked like on me yet, but I just know that if that was hanging in my closet, I'm just never going to pick it. So this isn't a 5 for 5 for me, so which means that I'm probably going to try to keep just one item, and it is definitely between that mustard colored top and the striped dress. So let me know what you think about those items. What do you think about this box overall? And what do you think about those Warby Parker glasses as well? I think that there's a couple of them that really fit into that whole 70s vibe that may definitely go with that mustard top. Okay, so if I was to keep the whole entire box, the price of it would be $224, but then you get 25% off for keeping 5 things, which brings the price down to $168. So less than $200 for this box. Let me know your feedback below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'm sure that this is one of my longest videos that I have because we had a 2-in-1. I am looking forward to seeing you all again. I've missed all of you because I have not been doing as many boxes lately. So thank you so much for sticking around and coming back and checking these videos out when I do upload. I appreciate seeing all of you. Bye-bye.